Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, September 17th, 2019. We had a windstorm this morning, which took the cardboard and threw it all over the yard, except for this pile here. That came out of my car. But the rest of it is now a mess. It's all over the yard, and I'm going to go around and fix it and secure it better. So this is what happens when you don't have your cardboard pieces firmly in place. Luckily, I do have a pile of rocks, which when I get all this back into its order, I'll fix it. But yeah, when you lay down cardboard, secure it. Because on a nice sunny day or just a rainy day, it's all good until you get a windstorm.